This is how my current deck looks like. So we will definitely go ahead and transform this entire string light formation. So whether you are hosting a dinner party or just want to enjoy a quiet evening under the stars, these string lights will add that perfect touch of ambience. Welcome to MG Factor. First thing first, let's talk about the tools and materials you will need. You will want to have your string lights of your choice, a ladder, outdoor extension cord if needed, hooks or clips for mounting, hammer and possibly a drill if you are attaching the light to a hard surface like wood or concrete. In my case, I am going to attach the chamfered hook on the deck. So as you see, I have got some zip ties. So the plan is to attach the chamfered hook on the post of the deck through zip ties. Now let's unbox and see what we have. So here are some instructions as you see. Then we have the actual power cord along with the light hooks. And here are the bulbs or the LED. In my case, it's an incandescent bulb. To create a cozy ambience, consider using warm white or soft yellow bulbs. You can also play around with different lighting patterns, like zigzagging the lights across the deck or draping them along the railing. Don't be afraid, be creative. Now before you start hanging your lights, it's important to plan out where you want to place them. The challenge with our deck is there is nowhere to hang them. So I'm going to use these hooks and hang them from the outside. I tried using zip ties to fasten the hooks, but unfortunately the zip ties did not work in holding them up. With all the hard work we put in, eventually this was not a success story for us, as the zip tie was unable to hold the weight of the hook as well as the string lights. So as you can see, the hooks are sagging and is not giving a very pleasant experience. I realized I'm going to need something stronger to hold up the hooks in place. Hence I went back to Home Depot and grabbed some wire pins from electrical section for $1 or $2 for a pack of 15. Now let's talk about power. You will need to plug your lights into an outdoor rated extension cord. Ideally connect it to a ground fault circuit interrupter, that GFCI outlet, to ensure safety. If you don't have an outlet nearby, you can use a waterproof extension cord to reach a suitable power source. Once the hooks are hung securely, it's time to start hanging the lights. Make sure they are securely fastened by the help of a zip tie to support the weight of the light. So you have got all your bulbs in now and have secured them via zip tie. I have used a white, but you can even use a black color. It will blend in with the hook. And there you have it. With just a few simple steps, you can install deck string lights to elevate your outdoor space and create unforgettable moments with friends and family. So go ahead, light up the night and enjoy those magical evenings under the stars. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more similar videos. Please drop a comment if you have any questions. Until next time, stay safe and healthy.